Okay, hello everyone, welcome to the stream. We had to start really early because we have a confirmed tornado on the ground near Rochester, Minnesota. That's another tornado warning, I believe. I'm going to put that up there, just double check they can see it. Yeah, we'll just put it a bit more to the side and we can get it straight underway. Make it that. No. Did I go live on Shorts or? Yeah, it's live on Shorts. Perfect. Right, let's keep an eye on. Let's keep an eye on this situation. The tornado is very small. I'm trying to find a specific camera view. Is it this one? Nope. Can you still? Yep. Yeah, that'll do. I'm trying to have a look for the specific camera. That seems to have a good view, but is the tornado? It's still there. It's still going. The tornado is still going. What's that then? Oh, and that it's just dissipated. Let's quickly click on it. I wouldn't exactly call this damaging, but yeah, alright. It's just dissipated. Thin air. It's just disappeared from thin air. That is just disappearing thin air. Gone. A specific one? I don't know. Well, he got us a thing, so I need to find it. I will find it. I'm not finding it though. So you know, we're gonna forget that. Is it coming back? We're gonna keep an eye on this one. So this one is which one? Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. Keep an eye on this one. I'll keep an eye on it as a tornado does go through. Yes, as we confirmed, saw on here, we have a tornado. We had a tornado on the ground. Now we got through that, we have to go look through what is today. We have a moderate risk down south where there's severe thunderstorm warnings, which is in the Kansas City, El Dorado, and Wichita area, which we actually have a camera for once. We have a camera ready for action. It still isn't the best, though tomorrow we have a little bit more freeway, though the tornado risk is minuscule. It's the only issue, but today we have a 10% hatched risk of tornadoes, which is 2.4 million in the areas of Iowa, Devonport, Cedar Rapids, WQ, and inside there is a tornado warning at the minute. Now let me see if I can get some eyes on this one. No, not that. Alright, let's do quick. Here is the tornado warning. Right now. I don't think there is a tornado on the ground right now, and I just had my ears blown out. But yeah, that tornado that we had earlier has dissipated. Still a lowering, but the tornado is disappeared. But yeah, this is what we're looking at. It's not even in the area. We're not even at the area. Like, if I go to composite, our storms are firing in the area, but we have these storms. And if we look at models, I don't think they're even trying to fire up yet. No, it'll fire up more in the hour. Then it will get ready for tomorrow. Even storms, I mean, it should all be done by maybe 10 o'clock. It's the southern front, at least, maybe. There will definitely be some chances still around at 10 o'clock. We might do like 2 parts, because if anyone's here, that is. Nope. God, I didn't tag it, did I? You know, that's actually a really good idea. No, oh no, it is tagged. What did I do for my I'm gonna do some hang on, I'm gonna do some ideas. This one, no, I wanna see this one. Unless this is the one that got good views. Yeah, I noticed we were live. 155, this was it. What setting was I on? No tags. Maybe I don't need them. Maybe I don't need them. Who knows, I might need them though. What we got here? Y'all watch tornado. Oh, tornado. Oh. That's a tornado warning. Here we go, new tornado warning issued. We got 4. Where's the 4th one? 1, 2, 3. Well, where's the 4th one? 1, which is in Rochester. Let's quickly double check. It is not gone back on the ground. And our old trusty, it's not even back over there. Severe thunderstorm warning issue. There's the 2nd one. There's the 3rd one. Oh, the 4th one's in it. Never mind. That one's going to expire. But we never actually got to why down south is a moderate risk. Well, there's your one reason. You got a massive wind risk. Got 45% hatched. And for hail, it's going to be hatched again. I'm going to assume, yep, 45% hatched, and made that 30% hatched for some areas, and even got 30% hatch risk in the tornado hatched area. And the wind actually does go up to the hatched area. That's a lot of information. Another one. Damn, they got it right. New tornado warning has been issued. Hang on, here we go. Look at them. That's my old stuff. Tornado warning's been issued. Oh. Yeah, I don't think there's any point. You wanna listen to this? Where is it? Hang on, I got this. I don't have this. I'll have it. No, not that one. No. No. Oh yeah, you can't hear it anyway. Now you can. Wait for it. Give it a minute. There you go. I knew it was working because I don't know why it waited that long. Anyway, 2 minutes. Oh wait a minute. Yeah, this is the one. I was right. Tornado warning issued. What? What? 130 and rising. This is a new meadow. Heavy rain. Okay, I guess. What about normal meadow? I mean, there was a meadow right here, which has some severe potential. 140 to 70 mile per hour tornadoes could drop. Well, we have a tornado warning in that area, which is concerning. Looks like that storm might try. Oh, it's definitely trying. Let's say that it is definitely going to try. It's going straight for Saint Donatus. Right, Neil. Straight for Saint Donatus. Let's go back. Let's enlarge this. Pull. No, keep that. Pull that down a bit. Enlarge the screen again. Do that. And we're back in business. That's another tornado one, isn't it? Another one. That's straight on that rotation. Is it caught on the ground? Tornado warning issued. What one's? I mean, it's literally on the rotation. Right, 131. Look at them low clouds. Alright, we need a good view. And we don't have that. And it's kind of annoying. Like, we have one going the completely wrong way, but that's kind of just to get out of the way. And might go down this road. We have 6 tornado warnings, 13 severe thunderstorm warnings. That's mad. And you got a line of tornadoes and the severe thunderstorm warnings behind it. You got many. You just got 2 that popped up. There and there. We've even got a severe thunderstorm warning tag. And now I'm cool. This can also go a little bigger. I don't want to do it. There you go. And then on the normal stream it can stay there. Is that another one? Yep, it is. Of course it is. Oh dear. Wait, that's still on. Wait, then it dropped again. Are you telling me it's Are you telling me it's happened again? No, hang on a minute. You're saying it's dropped again. I thought we were done with it. Here's the trusty one. I can't see it. I'm hearing it's gone back down. Well, the only reason I'm saying that is because it's been observed tornado again. And that is the reason you would think that. There is one here. Oh, that just does not help. Unless the tornado completely went straight through that road. Then no, that doesn't help me. I mean, I can see where the tornado warning is. I'm guessing it's not nothing to do with that up there. And if it was, bloody hell. But it isn't. It's just a lot of rain powering through. Trying to get a radar close enough just to double check that one. I mean, I don't know. I don't think so. I mean, of course, we had the tornado bank here. Here we go. We have cell I6. It's going 44 miles per hour. There you go, there's your facts. Anyway, back to the tornado warning that was issued earlier, and multiple people are on. You also got a tornado warning down south, which is what other people are on. Okay, you got one down. Oh yeah, well you can see at least where I'm looking at. At least I can see. So let me be clear. He is overseer. I mean, you can see where it is. Did anyone? No, he's the closest to that one. And then you got rotating storm. We still cannot see anything. We cannot see anything there. That one stopped at traffic, and we can't see anything on over a mountain or hill, whatever you want to call it. And we're not going to see anything that far back. Well, at least anything significant. And we ain't going to see anything if the traffic cameras are so bad. Okay, at least we can see where the rotation is. That might be straight back behind. Just go back on our trusty 33. Is it going to be good? No, it's not. And we can turn ourselves now. I mean, the tornado was pretty close to Rochester International Airport, to be honest. That could have been a close one. No tornado warning such of yet, but there is potential, and there is a tornado watch that was issued earlier today. How earlier? 20 minutes. Oh, only 20 minutes. It was updated 20 minutes ago. It's gotta keep an eye. Okay, and then we just got your squad in Kansas City. I've always wanted to go there for some reason. Oh, okay, we got another tornado warning that is issued for the rotation that is still going near St. Donatus, Rice, Gisbury, oh, so it does not go towards Galena. Well, it's heading straight for these. Heading straight for them. Rice, baby. Do 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 do. No. I still can't see it. I mean, at least I can see something, but I still can't see much. Okay, what the hell? Where are you off to? He's gone speeding off somewhere else. Yeah, I think we can determine that he is not going after this storm. Oh wait, no, I mean, he could have. No, there isn't a turning up here. He's gonna have to go across Dubkey and down 20 just to get to Galena. That's rough. Unless he's going to find another storm. And then he's got Montgomery down here. Possibly on the storm? But there isn't exactly much there 2 existing tornado warnings there. Is that one still observed up there? Yes. I can see why though. Like, there you go. Rotation, it's there. Cell R4. Probability of severe hail is 30%. Speed is going at 33 miles per hour. That's another one. Is it? Oh, no, I'm assuming. Where is it? It's either a big severe thunderstorm warning or a tornado warning. Where is it? Tell me. Okay, I can see that one. Okay, let me say the settings. So the tornado goes off, it goes. I should change that. But I can't. Let's do 20 seconds for it. Oh! I'm severely hoping that's not what I hope has. Oh god, please don't tell me that. I don't like the sound of that. That only happens on 1 or 2 situations. I severely doubt there isn't a tornado emergency on it in a minute. Hang on a minute. Because I'm guaranteed saying I've not put it on any other warning. So maybe I accidentally put it on, but even I'm not sure of that. I'm not even sure myself now. Did I accidentally play that? Or did it just go off? I mean, the only one that would go off on is this one. This is the only one I'd say, and that radar went off. The one that is a tornado emergency, unless... No, that isn't necessarily... Because that siren... Oh wait, no, I just put it on for siren 1. It was a confirmed tornado, which is why I keep it on emergency. But even that doesn't seem enough. Okay, there you go. That's gonna be your new warning. If a tornado is on the ground, or updated and to stay on the ground, we will get that alarm, and we kind of know where it will be. It's going to be over near Rochester. Or, it's going to be down here where there's rotation as well. Thing is, this is literally the best camera. That camera's not that good. Still got 1 observed, but we've got 6 tornado warnings. And it's still rising. A little less, but it's... that is crazy. Indeed, about an hour and a half ago, we were at 40. And we started to go up. This is when it went live. This is when I started keeping updates. And then just out of absolutely nowhere, I don't know why it went off in just a few minutes. Went kaboom. Kapow. Kaboom. Let's keep an eye. Now I have the siren. Wait, I'm trying to find the right one. It's just the right one? Yep. Okay, we got it. I should make a one for a tornado emergency and put a siren on that one. Although I have one myself. Okay, so this one is expiring. Wait, that one's oh, because they put a new one on it. Do we have any single sight of the warning? Yes, a bit better actually. We finally can see something. Hang on a minute. We gotta go back up there. A tornado was on the ground. And is still on the ground, I'm hearing. So, hang on a minute. Okay, this might give us what we need. That's not helping. Where is it? Are you going to help me here? Yes, you can see it. There we go. Live view of the tornado. Stop turning. That. Don't know if that's the right day for taking a big. Don't know if that's the best day for it. There we go. Live view of a tornado. What are you do? Oh my god. What are they doing? What are you guys doing? That's not even what we're trying to see. We're not looking at the stupid road. What are you doing? I'm not looking for the road. I'm looking to look at the tornado. Okay, they're going back up. Partly. But yes, I can still see it. But yeah, they have to look at the roads. Personally, I just want to see the tornado. That's kind of all. I hope that's understandable. There we go. There's a good view. Live view. Tornado on the ground. Where is this? So this is which camera is this? It's 36. So this is a view, and it's, I don't know which way it's pointing. If I look at the radar, that should narrow it down. We have our next tornado of the year. They're starting to rack up quite a lot. I don't know why. This is the third one we've seen of today. Yeah, this one is 100% on the ground. It is. You can see it. It is on the ground. It is going really quickly. And that's probably the warning for it. It is indeed. Damaging tornado is on the ground as we speak. Okay, yeah, damaging tornado on the ground right now as we actually speak. It is nowhere near Rochester. It is starting to go away. Let's actually go to a better camera view so I can actually see a little bit. Now I figured out. Now I don't know where I'm looking. Okay, we're okay. We can see where we're looking. Is it here? Where am I looking? Oh, it's not going well for me, is it? Edit. Okay, I don't know where I'm looking. I think I know where. I think I'm looking here. I think. Well, yeah, tornado's still on the ground. Somewhere. We'll go with the word somewhere, because I still don't know. New tornado warning issued in Iowa. Thank God. I was going to say, if that was another tornado warning I would have, on the ground, that would have been horrible. I mean, this one's pretty decent. We've had really small ones, but this one's a decent one. I mean, like a decently sized one. We've had the little tiny ones before. We had the one in the university, and we had the one earlier, which dissipated. But this one's kept going. We got a live tornado on the ground near Rochester. I definitely think I'm looking here. I think. I just don't know. Yeah, we're gonna go around the Marion Woods area. Yeah, here. We're gonna go. The tornado is right here. We're gonna go for that. We're gonna predict. We're gonna say that the tornado is here. I think we can have a look at the coefficient, and that should give us an even better answer. Oh yeah, Marion Woods. Yeah, that's your. See it? The tornado is here. This is. I can't see it. Can't see it. It's gone. I can see. Oh no, I can kind of see it still. It's coming back down. It's not done yet. It's still there. I can still see it. I can't see it. Can I see it? I think. I've good eyesight. Okay, we need more cameras down here. That's the same camera, isn't it? Yeah, okay, we can see it. It is still there. It is fighting. There's another view. There's a second view of it. Okay, tornado's back on the ground, so we don't need, we're still going to look for another camera. Are you still facing the floor? Yes, you are. So we think the tornado's at Marion Woods. Look at that one. It looks really different. Oh, you can definitely see I'm hoping no one is in. I mean, I can see that it is in the area, which is really unfortunate. It is in the area of Marion Woods, which definitely has some populations. Right near Chester. It's about to directly hit. That is not good news. What about the correlation coefficient now? Yeah, it's over Marion Woods. And even nearer to Rochester. I'm happy it's missed it, but it's not good that it's gone through the southern part of it. Like, it's missed main pound, because that would have probably been a PDS tornado warning. We don't need that. I am concerned that we might get that. That's a tornado warning, I'm pretty sure. New tornado warning issued in Minnesota. Where? I heard new tornado warning. Is it down here? That's not outdated 14 minutes ago, not that one. Is it this one? No. Okay, which one has a lot of time left? This one does. Is it in Minnesota? No. But it did just update. Oh yeah, we've got to look at this one. I mean, it still looks promising. It's just not deciding to drop anything. Like, there's two places where it could definitely do something. Okay, finally. Run the right shrink for you. And none of you guys are helping. Well done. I can't see. And neither can I see the tornado anymore, so we'll keep an eye on it. We got rotating storms down here, and we had a rotating storm near Rochester. So we'll keep an eye out. But yep, it's tornado number 3 of the year. New tornado warning has been issued for Black Hawk, Bremer, and Butler, Iowa. Anyone know where that is? I'd love to know. Butler. Butler. Okay, you know what? I guessed it. Is it this one? No, not that one. Is it this one? It's that one. It's this one. Though I don't see him. Where's Butler? There's Bremer. I said Bremer. But I don't see Butler. I want to see Butler. Tripoli. I still can't see it. But we're getting into them really dangerous levels now, I have to say. So we have a new tornado warning here. We have, I'm not even sure what I'm supposed to say up here. I still don't know if there's a tornado on the ground, or is it gone? Is it still there? Do we have any view? No, we don't have any view over it anymore. We had a view, but we don't have any more. And then we got people down here chasing a tornado with, well, definite amounts of definitely amounts of rotation in multiple areas. Ooh, what's that one gonna be then? Let me double check that one with a different radar. Yep, still definitely amounts of rotation. Warnings for thunderstorm warning. Any of them still observed? That one's about to expire. This one is still going. Oh, we got 3 people. Here we go. There. Keep that open. Oh, it's you. Yes, hello, Tom Zek. I only just saw the message. How late am I for that? I'm about 4 minutes late. Oh, my bad. You missed the tornado if you're still here. You missed it. You had to go back and watch it. You had to go back and watch it. Yeah, we had a tornado near Rochester. What do you mean finally? I mean, I have had one before. I mean, we've had like 2. But 2 of them, I think. That's another confirmed tornado warning. We have a new observed tornado warning in the same area in Rochester. Now, I've got to say, I was picking the alarms, and I thought that one was probably better than the screaming, can't last for 3 minutes one. This one. Whatever, can you even hear it? Yeah, you can hear it. So I decided to go with that one. Okay, basically, we don't have an exact camera, which is good. The only camera we have is looking straight at the pavement of the car, or you know what I mean. Let's go through a rundown quickly while people are here of all of our warning sirens. Severe thunderstorm warning for a default one. We have that. For destructive, we have oh, hang on. If we'll do urgent, emergency, because it's still pretty bad. Tornado warnings, if it's an emergency. Siren 1 for, okay, what about we put it straight down to an emergency again. We'll put it down, and then Siren 2. This is what you'll hear if a tornado warning is issued. Or PDS. And then that's the emergency. And that's a new tornado warning that's just been issued, I think. Well, it can't. Oh, this storm was prompted the warning is weakened below severe limits and is exited the warning area. This warning will be allowed to expire. Okay, we have an expiring tornado warning that is moving past it near Leroy, Bristol. 2 different places. Keeping an eye on it. Oh, is that another one? Yep, that's another one. That's an 11th tornado warning. And it's here. Okay, this one's an actual one. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This was... that one's just expired. Let's have a look at this one on the radar. Just get a better radar on it. Never mind, we are on the best one. We are at 155 point, around 157.29 now. I want to have a look quickly and see what that means. Like, what is that, like, what's the similarities? Hang on, I got this. Where is it? We're 160 now. We're at 160. projected to go down, but I highly doubt it. It's projected to get as high as 161, but then I don't even know about that. There's a 10% likely. I'd go 5% for me tomorrow. Hang on, I got this. Let me find it. Wait. Where is it? Oh, where is it? I can't find it. No. It's not this, is it? No. Back at the, you remember that university that we have? I don't know if it's the same as another university that's getting pounded by rain. It's Wichita State University. They've had 2 rounds of hail. Oh wait, this is exactly what I'm looking for. What am I doing? Intensity score. So 120 to 50 is a severe weather, a major one. Anything more is an extreme weather event, and anything above 250 is a potentially historic one. We're at 162, so we're in that second area at the minute, extreme weather event. So let's see how bad this gets. This is one for the books. Not yet. It might be, but if it keeps going how this is, I wouldn't be surprised. Looks like we have some rotation near Elgin and Plainview. Wish I knew where that one was. It's the Rochester one. Again. Yeah, this doesn't help me. What is it with people with these cameras? Is that a new observed tornado warning? Here's my old. I need to make new ones. Is he here? We've got to make some new ones. These are old. These are old ones. Like 3 years old. They're too old. He's gone. Of course he is. But my editor's gone. Let's have a look. Oh wait, hang on a minute. No, I was going to say, it doesn't actually... Just double checking there wouldn't have been a siren going off there. Right, at the minute we have... I don't think any were there. So we have 9 tornado warnings, 32 severe thunderstorm warnings, and 3 flash flood warnings. We should turn them on. They're still important. One of them is a tornado warning, and one of them is in Rochester. The other one I heard is down here. They're really easy to see because I did the opaque there. You know what I mean? Change it so it's clearer. I think we've got so many people down here. But we can't exactly see a thing. We can't see a thing. Never mind, that's a good view. Decent view right there, I'd say.
Severe thunder.
Well, it's going away from it now. It's going out of a tornado warning. We're 164. We're still going. Don't forget, about an hour ago, about an hour and a half ago, it was at 455.6. 55, exactly an hour ago. Let's see. Exactly 1 hour ago, we're at 83.6. And that was minutes before it jumped to 100. That's another tornado warning issued. Down here. We need a better one. Well, that is the better one. Don't tell me there's not one yet. Tornado warning in Iowa, which is Right, this is for North Washington. This is not Washington, D.C. Seriously, what are these names here? What are these names? There's one right here. Only one issue. We can't see anything. Well, ourselves can't see anything because number one, there's no cameras. Number two, unless it gets anywhere near Cedar Rapids, then I could probably get something on somewhere. And the problem is, I like to use these cameras because these are really good. We used them for the first one. Only issue is for the next few days, they're not exactly. Look, we got a few in the enhanced risk, and I might use them for the tornadoes if they happen to go around the. We had a new tornado on there, didn't we? Well, it's gone up to 12, so looks like it. Yes, up here. Oh, a different one. We got one up here now. Alright, let's have a look at that one then. No way KRX is the closest one. What's going to be the best one? Did he come back? No, he's still gone. Is he getting back? I need new. Well, they got it right. Fair enough, they're doing well. Well, we're at 166.91. It is still going. It's gone completely past what the prediction had said, and climbing. It hasn't stopped. It's just going to keep going up. We are. Let's have a look. Had it earlier. We're at 166.5 at the minute. But yeah, it seems like it's going to be a sunny day for the rest of the weekend and the week, up until Wednesday, where we're not sure. So let's keep an eye out. Oh dear me. And that shows both chats, but I'm not sure. Oh, perfect. We're back down to 0. That's nice. At least I think we are. We won. But I believe we back. Oh, yes. It still says 2 though. I don't know what to believe. Is that another one? Severe thunderstorm. Yep, that's another tornado warning. Still there. It's still going. I'd hate to know. Is this one at the floor? It's better. It's better. We'll go with that. It's better. Question: where is it? Like, where is the actual tornado that is? But supposedly on the ground still. Look, I would go for that radar, but that is not that far behind. But it's not the best one. Like, honestly, unless maybe the correlation coefficient will help me. Iota. Does it? Or yeah, that looks more likely. Okay, tornado is near Plainview, Kingsley Corner, Elgin, which we mentioned earlier. Which way is it going? More towards Kingsley Corner. Not Plainview, that could have been a problem. It's heading up towards Buffalo City, which does have a bit of residents. Okay, well, 160. Oh dear. We're gonna forget about that ever happening. We're on fire at the minute. We're already going an hour. We're doing well. What was my last stream at? This is gonna go horribly. It wasn't long. When was it? I was gonna do a gaming stream, but that went horribly wrong. By the fact it didn't happen. Part 2, so this was on the 2nd, so we've had 15 days. It was 18 minutes long. What about the actual main part? Half 40 minutes. Okay, so we've nearly beaten the combined. Well, what was the longest stream I've had? Longest one. Is it a Christmas one? It's got to be a Christmas one, though. New Year's was an hour and 42. Christmas ones were about an hour, or 2 hours 17, 2 hours 12. So 2 hours 17 is 3 hours and 12 election. It's got to be 3 hours and 12, isn't it? 2 hours and 33. 3 hours and 4. That was not the best one though. What about 7 hours? I was live for 7 hours. How did I even do that? Even I don't know how I did that. How was I live for 7 hours? I was live for 2 hours on my first ever radar and mega stream. 7 hours though. 7 full hours. What? Now that is mad. That's another tornado warning. We've got one down here. Interesting. How far back is this one? It's not how far back it is. It's, well, at least we can see the rotation where it is. This one radar is actually fine for now because it is really not far. Though if we were going to go for a better one, we'd go here. And well, I can see where it is still, but yeah, we kind of can see. Let's find out, are the radars here, or let's see, are the cameras here any good? Not where there's trees. What about one in St. Joseph? No, because it won't work. Another tornado warning. I hear we have another issue. Make that 15. With a tornado warning that was just issued. Up near Baraboo. Heading towards Reedsburg. Lake Delta. It's gonna miss Reed Delton. Make that 16. With a tornado warning up north. Near Lynn Jack City Point, Neilsville, but inside the tornado is Shortsville, Sherwood, Nelvins, Waterbury, Praise, Spalding, Sand Pillow, Sped Oaks, Lake Wheezy. Dear me. I still have no words how I went for 7 hours. Just went for 7 hours. Yeah, no, I actually went for 7 hours. No, but we had 380 chat mode. That was that the one with the most chat messages? So if we go 380 for that one. Now I'm just interested in analytics. So the one with the most views for the Santa Tracker last year was this one. That was 90. That was decent. What about the one 104? That was part 5. That one had 124. There you go. No, that error one was madness though. We're at 16 tornado ones. We are at 177.95. It is refusing to stop. It is refusing to stop. It's a little concerning. Like, it's not stopping. I think I'd rather it. It's still projecting to get to 180, then go down, but I don't even predict it. We are getting, I wouldn't say relatively close, but we're getting up to the 200 possibly. We're at the 170 mark. This is, I mean, it's gone down a little bit, but I doubt for long. That's, please don't tell me that's 2 more 200. Another tornado warning was issued. 2 or 1. Oh, some tornado ones just went, and some were just reintroduced. So we're back down to 13, which sent it down to 176.99. Make it 177 if you want. We're at 57 minutes. Now this is kind of too good to not see. Is that another tornado warning or... Yes. 2 more. 1 down near Toledo. That is... update. That's an updated... Not upgraded, upgraded. That's not good. Updated. I mean, it could be bad if it's observed. Which, you know what? Just so we actually know what we're looking for. Observed tornado will now go to that siren there. See that? Look at that. 41. I mean. So that's the warning you will hear when a observed tornado is there, and it's also the same one for tornado emergency? No, PDS tornado. But you would see on the radar that it is purple and not red. I would check that myself. When's gonna... I mean, we had a tornado emergency a couple of weeks back. I think that was EF3. Are we going to get one like that today? I highly doubt it. It's 4 PM in the US, 9 o'clock UK. So how we're going to do is I'm going to go take a 5-10 minute break, but we're going to keep it on the screen. I'm just going to play music. Yeah. Where is the thing? Okay, let's get back into this. Last time I forgot to put the BRB thing. We are back, so we do not need this screen. Back to, we are 15 to, oh, it's gone up a little bit, hasn't it? I mean, it started to, as you can see, stagnate a little bit now. It's now, as you can see, it's starting to stagnate around 180. Is that about to change? Because what was just issued? Was it tornado? I don't even know what I'm looking at. I don't even know what I'm looking at. 48 of them, my god. 48 severe thunderstorm warnings. I mean, that makes 49, doesn't it? We have 15 tornado, 49 severe thunderstorm. And now we're going back down. Yeah, I think it's going to stay on 180. Okay, that's just completely weird. What? There isn't even storms over there. Okay, whatever. We have tornado warnings absolutely everywhere. Let me just double check. Any of them observed? One of them's observed, but it's about to expire. Nope. None. Zero. Miedo. Right, what warnings were just added? Well, about 5 tornado warnings just vanished, and now it's starting to drop. But we had the massive rise about 1.5 hours ago, and then we had it just absolutely fail. Thing is, most of that is probably because the storms are now starting to join up. Now, if we have a look at the composite radar, I mean, some of these. Yeah, as you can see, these storms are now technically together. Maybe the ones over here still have the opportunity to produce a tornado, but the really issue is if they're just going to go straight in. Let me have a look at the models. This is what we had at 7. This is what we had at This is what we had at 8 o'clock. We had 2 tornado. We had so at 7 o'clock here at UK time, we had a tornado watch and 2 flash floods. 8 o'clock, 2 tornado warnings, 5 severe thunderstorm warnings. This is what it looked like. Nine o'clock, this is what it looked like. We had 13. This was not far ago, this is only 17 minutes ago. This is what we had. At 10 o'clock, we expected to only have, well, the severe thunderstorm warnings are gone, but this is what it's supposed to look like, and as you can see, most of it is all conjoined together. But of course, by maybe about, thing is, even by like 11 o'clock, there's still some cells that could definitely, around Madison, that could produce a tornado. No, the tornado watches end at 3 AM, our time. And that will be 10, 11 AM, PM in the United States, I think. Not 100% on that. Let's keep having a look. So yeah, model shows that everything should be done. Maybe about another. I'll stay for another cut. What are we on now? 1 hour and 15 minutes. I'm going to we're going to have a full redo, because at the minute. Oh, it's gone back up. Never mind. I thought we were stagnating, but no, it's gone back up. And is it gonna? It's no severe. How many severe thunderstorm warnings are we on now? I think it's dramatically decreased from 49 to 26. New tornado warning issued. Near Oskaloosa. This is severe thunderstorm. Okay, it's radar indicated. Oh, Coventry City getting promoted to the Premier League. Well, not at the minute, they're not. They're losing to Blackburn. Well, well, well. Oh, the turntables have turned. New tornado, 2 more tornado warnings. Is this still? Yeah, I was gonna say if that was still observed, I wouldn't know what to say. But what's this one then? Oh, this one's finally got on the ground, has it? This one's said to be on the ground. Is it? That's my question. My question is it on the ground? Is my question. I think Pro's right next to it. So this is probably the best view we're gonna get of the rain-wrapped tornado. I mean, he is right. For a set, it looks like he's right on it. It just looks like we got another car, looks like another chaser there. New severe thunderstorm warning issued. Got any more? There we are now. Oh, it's dramatic. That's a dramatic drop. Let me guess. Another tornado warning just been issued. That one is updated. Still radar. Radar indicated. This one expires in 23 minutes. I have a feeling this is, as you can see, stagnating, going down and up. We had the big decrease. Although you could say it was like that for a while here, and it just kind of was started going back up. Let's keep an eye on it. But we had the time. We still are on the time. So where's it been? So for about an hour it has been an historic outbreak. By the terms of the weather intense, an extreme weather event, that's it. In them terms, it's been at that for an hour. And it doesn't seem like it's going to stop. Tornado warning has been updated. Hang on, we're going to go to the Brad Arnold. I've heard he's got a good view. Ah, yes, he has. He's got a good view of the tornado warning which was observed. Is it now? Yeah. He still said it is. I can't exactly see if it is though. We'll keep that there. I mean, I can't see much. It doesn't look observed, must say to me. But it is a tornado that was, or I just can't see it, on the ground. It is heading towards Stockton. It's actually decently sized. That's 100% a severe hail. It's a mesocyclone. It's not going quickly. I'm gonna cover that word. I'm gonna cover that letter. Wait, so where's Ben Arnold? So Ben Arnold's there. The rotation of the tornado is there. If it's going this way, it's going to hit Lena. Luckily, it's not going to hit Stockton. But if anything down here forms, then it will. Which is bad. So let's hope not. We haven't had like a tornado that's hit a big area, which is good news today. I was hoping not. I've seen it. Like Little Rock. That one was. But yeah, as you can see, it's starting to decrease and go a little bit more down. We are at the highest I think we're getting today is 182.2. I think it's the highest that we're going to get. Unless there's another increase, which is, I don't think, happening. Unless we get a tornado emergency or a PDS warning that dramatically shifts how this day work goes. Just to keep the warnings up. We're going to do the Timu severe thunderstorm warnings, which are, I need to change the colour of that because it seems a little bit too similar. You want to be like yellow, be green, be green. The special weather statements will now be green, but it will not have a sound. Severe thunderstorm warnings are being issued. A continued tornado warning, which is allowed to expire. So instead of it moving out the area, it is no longer appearing capable of producing a tornado, and it's weak and below severe limits, which is why it is allowed to expire. But yeah, as you can see, we are starting to go downwards. Still dangerous though, but I think we passed the peak. Looks like we're still getting tornado warnings though, a lot of them. This one is just allowing to be expired or something. We do have a report of a large tornado went through Marion, Minnesota. Okay, that was the one we saw earlier, and it looked, damn, it's actually pretty too big. So the one we saw earlier that hit was near Rochester. It's pretty decent size actually. So that's probably the best one that we have this year. And I feel like it's probably going to be one of the better ones we have this year. Okay, yeah, I was going to say a new tornado warning has been issued, but it is now radar indicated, which means no tornadoes on the ground anymore. Is it ever going to get back to the level? Hope not. The worse, the better. No, the worse. No, the lower, the better. That's it. I think we're gonna. Oh, it's gone back up. Well, actually, you know, it's starting to go back up again. We're getting levels that we haven't seen about 10 minutes ago. Oh, a bit. Is that a flash flood? Is that a massive special weather statement? Pitchy blowing dust. Yep, we got some pitchy blowing dust in an area that could very well get a strong tornado, by the way. keep that in mind. Dear me. Is that a new tornado watch? Is it an updated one? It's updated. Oh no. Bliet. Where's that then? Now, of course, I think you know what that means. So this one is near Winona. We have no. It's just a Rochester storm again. It's like the third one it's actually decided to spawn. We had one there. Yeah, it's a third one. Right, we got tornado one number 3 here. Whereabouts though? Up here. We got it here. So this is a tornado going towards Cream. So in which direction is it going to go? It's going to go this way. Nothing exactly massive. Of course it's going to hit towns. But we have exactly nothing on this one. I mean, I would have thought by now that someone would have been on the Rochester storm. But I assume not. I'd have to check the radio omega on my phone. And if I do see something, I will record it. Because I can look on the app on my phone. But again, there's no one up there. Oh dear. Is that okay? So it's starting to heat up again. Oh, it really just has not. I don't think it's going back up. It's gonna stay how it is. I can change what they look like because this looks a bit too red, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna. So the colour of the actual tornado warning is going to go. It's going to say the same. Observe tornado. Different. It's going to look different. It's going to look like that. It's red. It's very dark red. That's how we're going to do it from now on. It's going to look very dark red. That looks a bit too dark though. I want a bit more lighter. How's that look? That's fine, I guess. But we have absolutely no eyes on this storm. Confirmed tornadoes located near Cream in Buffalo County. We've got a yawl track. Okay, we can have a look at the tornado. Oh yeah, this is the exact view. There's the this is what we saw. This was the tornado. There it is. There's another view. There's another view. There's another view. There's another view. Another one. And there's another. Oh, look at that. Oh dear, 2 of them. I never knew 2 of them dropped. Oh well, that's what a tornado siren sounds like. I can't. Oh, there you go. Before I couldn't see anything for a minute. There's a small one. There's a smallish one. These would have been the ones from earlier. This is the first one that dropped. Yeah, these are the first ones that dropped. That's the second one. So that was the one. That's the second one. That's the second one. Is it? I don't even know. Oh yeah, it is dropping quickly. It's dropping quickly. Now I will say Cedar Rapids is getting quite close to a tornado. Just gonna point that one out. going close to a tornado warning. Multiple, there's 2 of them. Near enough. Okay, at least it's quite visible to see and observe tornado warning now. So this area has a chance to get 100 to 130 miles per hour. Chance. 100, 130, 100... Heavy rain. 120 to 150, there you go. But yeah, it is dropping. Slowly. But surely it is dropping. Of course it's not. Okay. Oh no. Alright everyone. Let's stay the calm. Stay the hell calm. We have a PDS tornado warning. Get cover now. PDS tornado warning has been issued for the area. We need to get to cover immediately. This is bad news. This is exactly what I didn't want to happen. We have a PDS tornado warning issued. This is not what we wanted to see. This is exactly what we did not want to see right now. We have a PDS tornado warning. It's heading into Montana as we speak. Let's hope it doesn't get any worse. And just in case it does get worse, this is the siren you want to hear. If that ever goes off, well, just, I don't know. So this PDS tornado warning, it's a large and extremely dangerous. It's a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover. Alright, I need to get some eyes on this. Arcadia. Where is this? This is Minnesota, isn't it? Just about. Is it? It's on the border. It's technically Wisconsin. It just it's still going down though, and if it wants to, you know, prove me wrong, don't. Just do not dare. Of course you're not going to give me access. When you ever. Prior Lake. Well, hey, I know where that is. It's in Roblox. It's in Twisted. It's a tornado one. But this is an extremely dangerous situation. It's a PDS tornado warning. If I look at the coefficient, it's probably going to look very bad. Where am I looking again? Hang on, let me get this radio on. It's... Oh dear me. Oh fucking hell. Okay. That sounded a little different than that. That's a severe thunderstorm warning. But it's not destructive, but it's not considerable. So it's the middle way. Yeah? The middle way in RE, yeah, religious studies. The middle way. We have no eyes though, we have no eyes or ears. I'm trying to look for cameras, but I'm failing badly. That's nowhere near. Nowhere near. It's nowhere near. I mean, come on, no. Weather camp. Yes, weather camp. That's Minnesota. That's Minnesota. Maybe? You know what? That does not help me at all. I tried, alright. That is actually near the tornado warning. But this is really bad as it heads into Montana and probably taking lives in a minute, which is really bad news. I really thought that we'd come off soon, but I'm not sure I'm exactly in the point of it right now to do that. New PDS tornado warning has been issued. New PDS tornado warning has been issued. Take cover now as the tornado is going straight into Montana, Wisconsin. As it tends towards Russell, Independence, Whitehill, Pigeon Falls, Hailstrom, and Elk Creek. And I'll let you off that siren. For once. There's a strong rotation. Confirmed large or violent tornado. It is capable of EF3 damage. PDS warnings are capable of EF3. Let me be clear, EF3 is a very strong tornado. Let me give you some facts on an EF3 tornado, because this is the first time that we've had a situation like this. EF3 tornadoes are between 136 and 165 miles per hour, or if you're American, 218 and 266 kilometers per hour. Well, and this is in the 5%. All and about 95% of all US tornadoes are below EF3. This is possible EF3 on the card right now, so we're in the 5% to have it. Now, hopefully it doesn't get any more. Though, it's between... I don't know, actually. Hang on a minute. This is a rare situation. PDS tornado warning for Buffalo County and Trempealeau County. Now, this is bad. This is hopefully it's going to be long tracked as well, which is another issue on top. It's going to be long tracked. Now, really good, it did not go to Rochester or anywhere near Minneapolis. If this is up north, well, you'd be looking at a completely different type of warning. You'd be looking at an emergency. But okay, a tornado warning's now been issued, but it's radar indicated, so it's not that storm. It's a different storm inside the the PDS tornado warning. The PDS tornado warning is north. We are 100 warnings. Oh, we've just skyrocketed back up, by the way. We're back up to 183, which is now the highest that we've had. Mainly probably because of the PDS tornado warnings, and maybe because we have 47 severe thunderstorm warnings. I thought we might have been done here, but you know what? I've been proved wrong. You know what? Fair enough. I've been proved wrong. Where'd I go? Yeah. Now I got this. There we go, we're back. What's the coefficient? I'm scared to look. That's just damning. Let's have a look at the coefficient. Where is bro? Yellow. I mean, look at that. So this storm had a tornado one, then it had a PDS, and then it had a second one. So that's just an extension onto it. This is not good news. There are spotters in the area, so there is people in the area that have seen this tornado. To keep an eye just where the tornado is, you're probably wondering where it is. Well, if you see the coefficient, you can see the velocity. You know what? It's never gonna stop, is it? Wait a minute. Oh no. Please tell me. No, no. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, here comes the siren. Another PDS tornado warning has been issued. PDS tornado warning has been issued. Another one. 4. Located at Valina. Another PDS tornado warning has been issued. We're trying to see if we can get a view of it, but it is rain wrapped, which is the only issue we have for it in a minute. You're not helping. Maybe Arnold. Arnold might get it. Can he see anything? It doesn't look like it. But you can see where the storm is. With a PDS tornado warning in 2 areas now, we have it in the areas of Freeport. It is over Lena. Let's have a look at the coefficient to quickly see. It doesn't exactly have a good guess, does it? Though the radar is probably not the best one we can have on. So what is the best radar? It's a good question. I'd like to know. The one in Davenport might be the best one. Well, it's clear where on the velocity scale that it's gone straight over Shiza. Well, it's either going to go over. It's definitely about to go over. Get out of there, mate. Get out of there. Get out of there. That's going. Okay, it's not going straight forward. It's going to go towards Orangeville, Amigo. Now, this is actually one that's gone straight over. It's gone one that's gone straight over. Really concerning. I mean, whenever you hear that siren, it's never good. We're at 5 tornado warnings and 2 of them are PDS warned. How is that one up north doing? It is still there, isn't it? Yeah. It's kind of, yeah, it's still really there. As it heads toward Russell. Hopefully it doesn't get there, but I have a feeling it might. You've got the one down here, which is Storm Chasers there. Storm Chasers are on this one. We need eyes on this one. We need to see it. I hope it's not bad, but seeing as it's PDS warned, I'm going to say it probably is bad. Alright, we need the editor to come on and see what is going on here. It is gone from possibly ending the stream to probably extending it in a matter of minutes. In a matter of minutes, we've gone from possibly ending the stream to 2 PDS tornado warnings. In a matter of minutes. We have Ben Arnold, who is not helping me at the slightest. No. Okay, okay, it's the same one. PDS tornado warning has been reissued for the same area. It almost just gave me a heart attack, honestly. Hang on, that's really good news. The PDS tornado warning has vanished up here. That's really good news. PDS tornado warning is now gone up there. Oh, he's still here. I mean, I didn't think you were here. I didn't think. I thought you had disappeared. Come on, we need a good view. That's not helpful. Still PDS 1, I mean, we'll... That's probably why it is. Yeah, that's probably why it won't work. I can kind of understand. We have a new tornado warning issued up north. Now, that's a new severe thunderstorm. Well, it technically is up north, actually. But it's not as far north as I thought it was. What happened? Well... now, I think I remember telling you about the warnings, the intensity level sounds that I told you earlier. Basically, that went off. That went off, and, yeah, and it was for the storm up here, which is, let me show you. I'm going to show you something called the correlation coefficient, which is the damage of this tornado. When you see blue, a lot of it means there's a lot of damage. Look at that. Going straight through a village. Straight through it. Straight through. No mercy. And then let's have a look at the velocity down here. As you can see, it is strong in two areas. It is strong in two areas. This is what happened. It's gone straight through another part, and this is actually a larger town and a possible larger tornado. A PDS tornado warning is anything above an EF3 potential. So for the short people, I see 2 people on the YouTube shorts. Any questions? While we're trying to get a view of this tornado, which we're not getting. Again, this is why the connection's off. It's rain, a lot of it. You're not able to see. We were warned it would be rain-wrapped tornadoes. We had one that wasn't, luckily, and that was a decently sized one. This one probably, and the one up north, I don't even want to know. Okay, that's a continuation of the PDS tornado warning that was already warned before you start going, oh my god, there's another one. This was already warned. This was the one that was already warned. As you can see, it's the only one there. New PDS, well, it's updated PDS severe tornado warning. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Heavy rainfall. Well, that's exactly what's going on. I think it's rain wrapped. What was that one? That's a new tornado warning. New tornado warning, but we don't really have time for that one at the minute. We have no time. Well, here's it. Could we get a view here? No. Your thing's no, your thing's not breaking. How's the rain? Is that okay? They're at the rain. Can I say the same for Copic? No. I can't say the same, but it's the connection's a little better. And then let's just ever hope never gets to this siren here. Never ever. There was a month or so ago. There was one a month or so ago. If it ever gets there, pray. Just pray. That I don't know what else to say. What else can I say? What's it gonna change this to be? What can I even put this to be? Cyan? Yeah, I'll do cyan. There you go. It can be cyan now. Let's see if can we see that on the map? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Got a destructive one down here. Yeah. Just going straight into it. Hang on a minute. Oh, he's found the vein, all right. Another warning. Updated tornado warning, I'm pretty sure. There isn't any cameras here, so we're having to rely on the storm chasers, and we've got another one on the way. Another one is sprinting towards the tornado warning. PDS tornado warning. Dear me. I was not thinking I'd have to use my siren. My own siren. There's an Orangeville camera. Where's Orangeville? That just looks menacing. There's something I want to show you, but I need to find Orangeville. And do I have to go to an external? Orangeville. Utah. No. Illinois. Oh. Oh. So it's in the PDS one. Okay, I need to find this. Hang on. I'm going to find it for you. Let me find this, because the camera is really good. What the hell does hour mean? Explain. No. Like a new one. You might not see something for a moment. I'm just at the moment doing something. Now you can. It's quickly why I found Orangeville. Webcams about Orangeville. No. What was the one he had? Okay, perfect. I know what to look for. I mean, it is that one. Webcams. YouTube live cameras, that'll do. Now I've got to find it. Is it this one? No, not that one. Orangeville, here we go. And we also have sound. Okay, let's bring you over here. Let me bring you over. Now I've got to find it. Hang on. I've got to figure out a way now. No. I got to find a way to do it now. Okay, you're not going to be able to see something for a moment while I quickly do this. While I quickly do this, web-based, browser source, not that. That's good for the election, but not for this. Not for this purpose. I'm quickly having a check. This is probably going to be the best camera we get, honestly, because the Storm Chasers are not up to it. Or their cameras are just bad. Or the camera, they can't actually do much about it though, can they? Specific window. I'm praying to the Lord. It is just a continuation, do not worry. It is a continuation of the PDS warning. Do not worry, it is a continuation. Alright, I'm hoping you can see this now. How did I get it working for RMS? Well, that should work. If it doesn't work, I'd like to know, please. Tom, Zach, is it working? You can message me on WhatsApp or something, or on the chat. I can't see the chat. Oh, actually, I can see the chat now, so. I think I've glitched the system. Hang on. Yeah, I think I've glitched. Hang on. Hang on, I got this. There you go. Here we go. Live view of Orangeville going into the tornado. You can now. I had it on bit. Now it's on automatic, so it should work. Yep. Hang on. There you go. You can see it now. I just double checked myself. Just double seeing what shorts can see. And do I have to move it? Shorts is good for now. Yep. So this is live view from Orangeville, which is inside the PDS tornado warning. You know, we've actually been at this level for a while now, I have to admit. And you've, wait, can you hear anything? That'd be nice, you know. I think you can hear, I don't know if it's about to go red, green, but it might. I'll reset it if it does. Yeah, it will go red screen for a moment possibly and go straight back, I'm not sure. I'll have to reset the red screen. Yeah, it's just a moment of red screen. Thing is, I don't know how far. Let me have a look at the river rise on my phone. While we have the view up here. I'm having a look on my phone in a minute to see the tornado. Because I can't see on here, of course. That button. Oh, it's near. It's not far from Orangeville, by the way. So the tornado will go into it. There is a big chance that the tornado will move into Orangeville, which is where we are looking right now. There is a big chance. If it's, yeah, there is a big chance that the tornado is either going to be nearby or going straight into the town of Orangeville. Which is bad news. We didn't want this. We'll get to see the thunder, the roads. I don't know if it's, I think it's coming from this direction. I don't know which direction it's coming from. We'll see it. We'll probably see it. We'll hear the thunder. We see all the cars. There should be no one driving. They should be getting in the bunkers, like, immediately. Oh, look at that one. Look at that one. Hoo-hoo. I can see people getting out of their car. They should be in their houses immediately. They should be running right now. I think they are. It's starting to get a bit more gloomy, as you can see. They might want to turn the radar. Hopefully they do. Because I think it's to our right, but it also definitely could be to our left. I can't tell. Okay, let me double check. I think it's coming to our left, from our left though. If I look from Orangeville, it's coming from our right. It will be. So yeah, it's on our right. It's coming from our right hand side. It needs to turn. Wait, Brad Arnold's right in it. He can't see a thing though. Keep an eye on this. This is a very dangerous situation. It is on our right hand side. Coventry City have finally been promoted. Wow. Oh, they got the draw. So Coventry City, in the breaking news, Coventry City have been promoted to the Premier League for the first time in 25 years. Unrelated, but it works. Yeah, as you can clearly see, the tornado is definitely to our right. Can it move the camera to the right, please? Like, there must be a way to move it, right? Like, I can't see it. There's gotta be a way you guys can, like, maybe move it. I mean, all the other cameras can move. Like, clearly it's going to go to our right hand side to turn it to the right so we can see it. Having a look on the radar, it hasn't been updated for a while. It's going towards Oniko. It hasn't updated in 4 minutes. This is better. It's gone left. The tornado's to our left now. Of course it won't move the radar, they're not that good. That's a continuation. Do not worry them, that is a continuation of the PDS tornado warning. So this is what we're looking at, Orangeville. This radar's a little bit better though. I'll keep an eye on it though. I mean, at the minute, it still hasn't moved. The tornado is definitely to the left of the camera. I'll keep an eye on it though. We're 2 hours in. This is the longest stream I've done for a while. You know, we're still going we're going still. I mean, look at it. Let's look at the whole system. I mean, we're still getting PDS warnings. So luckily we've only got one. Can we keep it at that, please? We had 2 at the same time earlier, which is really not nice. Now isn't Brad Arnold like right on it? I can't see it. Okay, this is probably the best view we can probably get. Is that it? No. You can't see it in here. But I think he has something, so we're going to keep it up there. That is literally, I think, our best chance. And a minute, that he's the closest one to it. He's either right, yeah, it is. It still could go through Orangeville, this is the thing. It still could really well go through Orangeville. Which is what I'm thinking about. It could still really well go through Orangeville. And I actually want to keep that up, so I'm going to grab it up quickly. Again. Do that, do that, do that. Do that. Do that again. No. You didn't know it anyway, so. Where's my voice? Oh, it's offline! Oh, that's not helpful. I will subscribe though. Okay, what cameras do you have then? Oh, Lena. We had Lena earlier. That would have been nice. That would have been a good camera to get. Unfortunately though, it's been turned off. So I'm not exactly surprised. Oh, it's going the wrong way, right? Wrong way. Tornado warning's been issued, but is that observed? Is it going? No, it's radio indicated. Are we going to get a new PDS warning, or is it going to expire? It might expire, which is good news. That will significantly drop down the WIS, the WIS, the Whisper. New severe thunderstorm warning issued in Iowa near Cedar Rapids. Are you streaming on the weekend? When did you send that? Oh, you only sent that. Let me think. There isn't a tornado threat. That's what I do know. There's no tornado threat, as you can see. Maybe tomorrow, but there is nothing tomorrow, basically. Next day, nothing. You have plans. What plans are you trying to say? What plans? Okay, now I'm interested. Okay, what do you mean by plans? Do you mean an idea? Do you have new stuff? Do you have... What do you mean by plans there? Look at this radar though. Where's the PDS? Oh, okay, it's still here. That's I was about to get happy there because it would went. He's gone. Yep, that tornado's just gonna keep going now. Well, tornado warning issued. Hang on, let me double check. Has he sent something? Okay, it's top secret. You guys can't know. Although there is no one here. Alright, anyway. So there's no one here. I should probably end the stream soon. Oh, never mind. It's still high. Look at that. It hasn't exactly gone down. Like the highest I thought would have been up here. But no, it decided to keep going up. It's not stopped. This is a cell that has decided to do tornado. These are the locations that it should go to. This is the PDS cell. But the PDS tornado should head towards Twin Grove, Oakley, and maybe towards Broadhead. Okay, I also got to ask what day. I mean, I gotta at least, you know. Alright, let me have a look. Let's see. What other stuff do we have? So yeah, this was the. Let's go back to what we had earlier. This was the second tornado that was earlier. This is the second one. This was not PDS1. This is the one in Rochester. Second one. That's the second one. Second one. Second one. That's the second one. That's the second one. That's the first one, and the second one's right there. The tornado warnings sometimes different in different areas. Sometimes it's more like we're back up to 15. We're back up to 16 tornado warnings at once. Nah, that's mad. Back up to 16, are we? 16 tornado warnings at the same time. One of them is a PDS, although that is probably about to expire, which is really good news. Unless I hear the alarm, then no. There's no point sharing my location. I mean, I'm not exactly nearby. I'm not nearby. I'm on the other side of the pond. That's what they call it, at least. Alright, so we're going to end the stream here. I need to go do some testing for a stream that we might do in the future endeavours. That's what I'm going to say. A stream that might happen on the weekend. I need to test. I always test my streams, so you never see them though. I've tested my streams before. We're going to end the stream here, though I